What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, link in the description for the merchandise. Today, let me catch you guys up a little bit on the Hiest Civic real quick, and we got a Sunday fun day. All right, first day, this is like third day working on this. So first day, what we did was we sanded down all the spots where the dents were, and we used a dent puller. I'll bring it back here in a second so that way I can show you guys what we got. Chris went ahead and ordered this dent puller right here. He got this in, and we got the stand and everything for it, so it comes out clean. This one right here, it grounds out to the body and then also uses different tips. And we used this one right here, and it worked out hella clean. Didn't even take that much time. And used the hammers, got our high spots down, flattened, and then we went ahead and bondoed all of the spots that we have with lightweight body filler. And then he went and got like another body filler as far as for a top coat, using high build primer on all the panels. So I don't remember if you guys see in the other videos, there was a big dent right here. Every time you touched it, it would go in and stay there. So using the dent puller around it and getting everything situated came out clean. But we're gonna start getting everything taped off and get it ready to throw down high build primer on all the panels that have a lot of bondo spots. And then we'll sand that down kind of like I did on the Ram. And then we will primer the whole thing together. This truck is clean. It's got a Coyote engine. He's got the R35, you guys, so if you guys see it later, if he brings it out or not, one of these days you guys will see it. He's about to supercharge it. It's clean. He put a different intake too. How much horsepower do you think it has right now? 400? After you supercharge it? 750. Damn. Yeah, he's put a lot of money into this truck, you guys. All the traction bars and everything too on the back, the suspension, intake, everything. It's gonna be quick. All right, guys, we got everything taped off except for those areas on the bumpers and the side skirts. We're not gonna mess with the side skirts or anything right now because we do have bondo spots. So we're gonna go ahead and put high build primer on the roof, on the sides where we did put bondo, and trunk area. And also we already did the quarter panel back here. You guys seen that? So we're gonna build everything up as far as on the doors, roof, and hood. So we're gonna high build all this, and then we'll sand down the whole thing, and then we'll be able to primer the whole car together. The second coat, and as far as everything, it's blended, there's no spots. We're gonna block it with 220, and then once we do that, we're gonna use the white sealer and spray over the whole car and get everything situated, and then we'll paint it. Spray guide coat real quick, and then we're gonna call it a night, let it sit, and then tomorrow we will sand the whole car down, see where all the low spots and high spots are, get everything straightened out, and do some spot putty on some of the spots that we need, and we're ready to throw down some sealer. Let's get it. Alright guys, Chris pulled out the Eclipse. We're having a little Sunday fun day today, so we're gonna put this out there in the public for people to see. It hasn't been seen yet. He's probably drove it like 4 times and just kind of maybe just parked it somewhere, but never really stopped and like had like a little car meet for anybody to really pay attention to it, really look at it, really get to see it. So we're gonna take the Eclipse out to Subway and see what everybody thinks about it and let people get some pictures and everything with it. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit, get everything situated, and we'll see you all there. That shit's dope. Gabriel pulled up. Oh shit, Mr. Body like that? Damn. What's up?
What's up?
How are you?
Good.
Hosted. MBS Gordy's 392 man. Just a V6. Look at this junk. Hey man, one day. Guide coat. I'm sanding it down and just painting it. I'm selling this bitch. $6 grand right now. I told you. You gonna get one?
I seen someone drift and it just came off.
He's scared of women. You scared of women?
He likes men. He likes men.
See the spikes? Hey, try to get hit with that.
God damn.
That should go hard.
Dude, I wish I fucking had my phone.
Your phone dead or what? Oh, this shit's overheating. I got the tow rope, don't trip. Look at this. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, hey, you don't got enough gas. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I used to you, running to you, so I can get it, can't do it, can't get it, oh, run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust, and she